Subscribe to Feminism in India for your dose of intersectional feminist content and make sure to hit the bell icon to get all the latest updates.
Hey, so do you masturbate? Don't you know what happens if you masturbate? And women really don't need to. Did you think women don't masturbate? In popular imagination, masturbation as an act of self-pleasure is associated solely with men. While sex is a taboo, women's sexuality is an even bigger no-no. The biggest myth that exists is that women don't masturbate. Masturbation is normal for everyone. As normal as brushing your teeth or even breathing. Not only does masturbation bring you pleasure, but also allows you to familiarize yourself with your body. Add to that the fact that masturbation has several health benefits and releases happy hormones that help you relieve stress majorly. There's a lot of talk about why you shouldn't masturbate and what will happen if you do. In this video, we tell you why you should. A really big myth around masturbation is that solo play is for single people and people who are dissatisfied with their sex life. Self-pleasure is often labelled as a replacement for partnered sex. But hey, that is not true. People masturbate whether they are in a relationship or single. Masturbation is often a part of sexual activities between people. So remember, masturbation is for everyone. Remember, masturbation doesn't kill your sex drive. Quite the opposite though, it actually increases the chances of you having amazing sex. Through solo play, you can discover the pleasure points of your own body. Also, the cultural ignorance of the clitoris has almost brushed it off our mind that there is an organ whose sole purpose is pleasure and how so many people don't even focus on it. Clit stimulation is one of the most common forms of masturbation amongst women. Studies have shown that solo orgasm in fact increases one's confidence and chances of better partnered sex. The more your body experiences orgasm, the more it will crave climax in every form. In an attempt to keep people away from self-pleasure, it is often propagated that masturbation will cause several health problems. Now that is absolutely wrong. On the contrary, masturbation has several health benefits. Studies show masturbation releases chemicals like dopamine, serotonin, oxytocin and other happy hormones in your brain. These in turn help you relieve stress, sleep better, stay focused and boost your confidence. This myth is fairly common amongst teenagers and the younger generation who have just discovered the world of self-pleasure. A major reason being the lack of comprehensive sex education in our country. Remember, getting pregnant from masturbation is as impossible as drinking water from an empty glass. For anyone to get pregnant, the sperm will have to enter the body through the vagina and fertilize the egg. Or in the case of partnered masturbation, there should be pre-cum as it contains the semen which contains the sperm. So unless there is no sperm and no egg, there can be no pregnancy. Women's sexual urges have been repressed and termed abnormal throughout history. In the 19th century, women with excessive sexual urges were diagnosed with female hysteria. The dirty and immoral labels are attached to masturbation in a bid to control women's sexuality. Like any other normal bodily function, there is no moral law governing self-pleasure. India is third in the list of countries that consumes the most porn. Furthermore, of the total traffic on Pornhub from India, 30% of it are women. Even with India's porn consumption numbers skyrocketing, female masturbation is still something that is swept under the carpet. So much so that several mainstream e-commerce platforms have had to resort to selling their vibrators as body pain massages. This is because the patriarchal society only legitimizes female sexuality when it is in response to male desire. Repressing women's sexuality has been central to maintaining patriarchal order. So no matter what anyone tells you, don't stop playing with yourself. And if anyone questions, tell them that masturbation is healthy and they should do it too. What are some truly bizarre myths that you've heard about masturbation? Let us know in the comments below. If you like this video, make sure to like, comment and share. And don't forget to subscribe to Feminism in India for your dose of intersectional feminist content.